Hello my trading family, nice to have you back on my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a juicy one and I promise you will stay till the end of this video. We will get into different ways of approaching trades with the same set of indicators. I'm starting out with just 87 bucks. Let's see how much I will have at the end of the session. Let's go. Okay, let's kick it off. I'm diving into our first trade with $87, betting on the euro-dollar pair to go up. Now you might be wondering why. First thing that jumps out, the chart is nudging up against a resistance level. It tried breaking through before, but no dice, bounced right back and started a slow climb, doing the whole zigzag dance within a price range. The climb was chill, no crazy spikes, so it tells us that it wasn't so much about the buyers being all gung-ho, but more about sellers not putting the right amounts. Checking out the low vibes on the MACD indicator too, both in the bars and the lines twirling around each other. Our baddie stochastic, as it nears the resistance level, it's stepping out of the oversold zone. So my 2 cents, the chart doesn't have the mojo to pass through the level, it bounced back, coming, hence I went for a drop. And bingo, we made some cash. Let's throw it back in, up the ante, increase our stakes. Guys, I perfectly understand how difficult and how hard it can be sometimes to be a good trader, especially when you're just a beginner in this sphere. That's why I invite all of you to join my Telegram channels, link are in description. Here I run weekly marathon for traders, for all kind of the traders, for pros and for newbies. Here I help you to boost your deposit starting from just $100 to $5,000. This marathon run every day from Monday to Friday at 6 p.m. So inviting you to join it and start earning with me. Links in the description to this video. Let's get back to trading. Next up, we've got the Euro-Swiss franc pair. Here my gut is telling me it's on the rise, so I'm going for a call option. Yep. Peep the chart, guys. Price is cozying up to a local support level after bouncing off from resistance earlier on. But the trend is still looking up. You can see with the moving average set at 60 periods. So I'm thinking this dip's just a breather. Now the trick is to figure out when this chill out phase ends. All right. Let's dig deeper into those indicators. By looking at the green bars in the MACD histogram, we can see the lines are getting chummy and closing in. Stochastic is hinting at a rise too. Its lines have just left the too cold, oversold area. And guys, my prediction was spot on. A big juicy green candle is higher in the resistance level and the next one punches right through. The little play added 312 bucks to our pot. Let's keep this party going. We've just started. Now peeping at the British pound USD dollar pair. I'm betting on the price jump. Pretty straightforward stuff here, but let's break it down. So we're looking at an upward trend. After a minor dip, the price is inching up to a local support level. Usually, unless there is some roadblock, the price will bounce back from this support level. So betting on a rise makes a ton of sense here. Indicator signals, they're backing up our hunch. MACD lines are crossing path and stochastic lines are getting out of the cold zone. So yeah, a rise felt like a sure bet. Just looking at the way all these lines are growing, you would say the rate's bound to climb. Master the whole support and resistance level trading strategy, and binary option trading ain't all that mysterious or tough. But an honest day's win. $584 sitting pretty in my account. Alright, let's scout another trading opportunity. I'm back with the Euro-Swiss franc pair and betting on another rise. Let me spill the beans on why. Well, remember those levels that I marked out earlier? The chart pushed away from the resistance and the price took a nosedive. And it's a pretty steep drop, but going by the blue SMA line, we're still on an upward trend, even though there is a hint of a U-turn. Post nosedive, the price chilled at the support level. One is spotted from the chart's old moves. Well, now after chilling, prices either slide further or rise. And let's scope out our indicators to guess which way the wind's blowing. I would say that both indicators are flashing go up, and that's why I decided to roll with a rise, and boom, I nailed it, guys. That move added a whopping $1,098 to my stash. Let's go big and max out investment. On pocket option, that's a cool grand. Switching gears to the euro-dollar pair, and here I'm taking a bullish stance. Honestly, you can navigate the market even without any indicators, truly. But mastering candlestick patterns, you can end up with successful trade. This moment is the perfect showcase of that. We're seeing a gentle, predictable dip in the price up to a certain level. The drop is capped off by a candle known as inverted or hanging hammer, whichever you prefer. And the main thing is that this is a market reversal signal. This same signal gets a node from the MACD indicator. Those green bars show that the line's coming together. And by eyeballing the candles, you could have called the rise, so no indicators needed. Of course, the predicted uptrend might not play out despite my assurances, but lo and behold, the forecast was spot on. Wallets now heavier by almost $2,000. See, guys, I was right. And I'm happy to share these strategies with you. I suggest we stay with this pair and watch the chart. My event prediction worked out, but not in full. The strong price uptick I was gunning for hasn't hit yet, and this means we've got a window to wait for the right signal and replay our move. Might also be wise to extend the expiration time to 2 minutes to dodge any random price tweaks. Taking another bullish stance right now. Basically, as I mentioned earlier, the reasons for diamond remain the same, but let's dig into some additional cues that nudged me to make this move once again right now. Near the support level, we spot the price chilling out. For the past 7 minutes, it's been swaying within a tight lane. And take a look at the MACD now. Its lines are almost intersecting now. By observing the bars in the indicator, we can tell that for the past 5 candles there's been a convergence, but the low volatility is hampering the process. Additionally, we notice the stochastic accelerator gradually but surely departing from the oversold zone, which also hints at a potential price increase in the near term. Last time I jumped the gun a bit with my trade entry. It was a gamble. If you aim to cut down risks and boost the quality of your trades, prioritizing quality over quantity, I'd advise adopting a more cautious strategy and waiting for clearer signals with longer expiration times. I walk you through 2 different approaches using the same strategy. Which path to tread, that's up to you. It hinges on your temperament and market intuition and experience, of course. Rookies would do well to take it slow to prevent burning through their deposit, and crucially to not get disheartened right out of the gate. The market's lethargic to the point that even a 2-minute expiration might not cut it. Things are moving at a snail's pace, even though we can spot the amplification of the signals previously. Only now is the anticipated movement coming into play. So you see, this time around my calculation was spot on, and the trade has added almost $3,000 to my deposit. Guys, this was a hard trade for me, and I think you could see how nervous I was, but actually everything went good. So I just want to say, don't worry, stay happy, stay sure that everything will come at its best time, and I'm always here with my videos to help you earn on binary options and pocket option website. Please check the description to this video. You will find 2 links to my Telegram channel, and you will find a unique promo code that will grant you 50% deposit to your registration on pocket option. See you later, bye, and thanks for being with me today.